I can see it, but my vision's like blurry.
Stop it.
Oh no, everybody's
I mean, it's on you. because-
So guys, I have someone that been cheating. They're cheating. Like you don't get it. When you get tagged, it's over with. It's over with. Go and get someone else. But you know what? We're gonna play that same game too. Call me Kip.
Yeah, I knew it. Everybody is
No.
Okay, P. Everyone that's in this lobby.
Dom messed up. No. Purple.
Okay, y'all two not get killed. Shut up. Okay, P. You. Yep.
orange.
Yeah. I don't care if I get recorded. Yo, you too, buddy. Yo, remember me? Remember me?
Yeah,
No,
this
they
guy's
want to
just
cheat.
recording.
They want to cheat.
No, that's not the guy. It's freaking like something VR. He's reporting though. Like
Come get
JD
me.
or something.
Come get me.
I got this guy. Freaking
Okay.
He got you. He got you. He got you.
I'm doing the same thing back to you. Back to you.
What comes around goes around, baby.
I think he's pumping in because he can't, so I guess just losing to it.
It's in my room.
Purple, I think he's camping because he can't, essentially.
Get me right.
I don't really want to friggin' believe. Hello.
Run.
Oh, big jump. Big jump. I slipped. Oh, no problem.
David, purple.
You need to save
Down there, bro.
No, why would you unfreeze that blue? No, leave him be.
It's okay.
Let him freeze.
Actually, yeah, let him freeze.
Dude, he's the one that's been reporting players for just green.
Purple, let him freeze.
I've been playing for 4 years. How
What? It's in my room.
Hello.
That's what you get, bro. That's what you get. That's what you get, bro. Pay for it.
Body. See how they was cheating? But do you see how they were cheating?
I slipped.
See, people like that need to be banned. Need to be banned.
People like that.
Seriously, like who does?
People like that need to be.
Long arms. I'm a YouTuber.
Hey, bro.
Hi, Red. Red. GG.
Oh my gosh, he's good.
Oh my God, what is wrong?
Bro, I just missed. My arm went like this. Yeah, we got the
I seen you, bro. Like yesterday. Here, bud.
Got him.
Oh yeah. Bro, you remember me, bro?
Oh, what happened to my tracking?
I tried doing that. Anyways, another video. Bye.